Hello and welcome to Math 012. My name is Tom Ewing and I will be your instructor for this course. Math 012 is not an important course. The important course is Math 107. Math 012 will not be credits towards your degree, nor will it transfer to another university. However, the grade that you get here will count in your GPA, so you do want to be somewhat aware of it. But the primary goal in here is not the grade that you get in this course. The primary goal in here is that you learn in here what you need to learn in order to have a solid foundation and to be able to succeed in the next course, Math 107. Math 107 is the real college algebra course, but in order to learn that material, you have to have a solid foundation in arithmetic, basic algebra, and graphing. And here is the only place that you will get it. In Math 107, we cannot stop to teach you those skills there. We have too large an agenda to accomplish in that course. So you must have those skills before you enter the course. So that is the purpose of Math 012, to give you a solid foundation and to propel you into a successful Math 107. So in order to do this, we recognize the fact that as you taking an online course, realize that it is very difficult to learn math from a printed page, from a textbook. For that reason, in this class, we have a large emphasis on you watching videos. And every week, I will provide a list of YouTube videos that I have selected for you to view. And it is required each week that you view those videos, and part of your final grade in the course will be that you have viewed those videos. In addition, each week I will ask you to select a YouTube video on one of that week's topics yourself, and to post your selection in Leo so that your classmates may also benefit by viewing your selection, and you by viewing their selection. And then thirdly, each week I will ask you to critique one of the postings by your classmates, critique a video posted by your classmates. These three tasks each week will be visible to you under course content, week X, whatever the week is, and then the subselection, week X, Leo participation. So each week you will be asked to fulfill these three tasks as part of your video viewing. And at the end of the course, you will get a certain number of points for having accomplished that. But before you even view the videos, it's required that you read the textbook. The textbook is very well written. In spite of its free price, it's a very well written textbook. And I applaud the author, Tyler Wallace, for making available at no cost a very, very excellent textbook. So those of you that jump right into the homework or right into the assigned discussion problem or not doing it in the right order, the first thing to do is to read the text and to work the examples in the text, then to view the videos. And only after you've done that are you to actually start working the assigned problem for yourself. You can only learn math by doing math. And for that reason, we have chosen a large number of problems assigned to you to do each week. Now, these assigned problems will not be collected. They will only be done by yourself if you're serious about laying a good foundation for Math 107. However, each week we do have another set of problems called the discussion problems. And one of these discussion problems must be selected and worked by yourself in Leo. And I will grade and guide you through your selected problem. Now, when you select your problem, be sure that a classmate has not already selected that problem, in which case it's not there for you to select. The other thing to be sure about is that you do not merely start the week's work by selecting your problem and then attempting to do it, and relying on me to find any errors or shortcomings that you have and guide you through it. I am not sympathetic to that approach. First, you must read the text and work all of the examples in the text. Then you must work all of the assigned problems. Then you must watch all of the Leo videos that I selected, and then you must select one of your own, critique a classmate's video, And then after doing all of those tasks, then you are to begin and solve the only single problem that you selected. Do not make the mistake that if you finish one problem a week, that you've learned that material for the week. That is only a very minuscule part of the work that you will do each week. Since this is an online course, I will be making many postings in the news section of Leo. Therefore, you are required to log on and to read the news at least every 3 days. Each time you log on to Leo, your login time is recorded. If you fail to log in to Leo and read the news for more than 3 days, then you will suffer a point reduction. I have allotted 3 points in this course merely for you signing in and reading the news every 3 days. It's 3 very easy points, and it's necessary that you do that to keep up with what is going on in the course. This course is driven by news announcements. Of course, we have a schedule out there in the syllabus, but it is subject to change, and you are given alerts and information on almost a daily basis in the news section of Leo. So this course is driven by the news feeds. Each time you fail to log in and read the news in Leo every 3 days, then you will be deducted half a point off your final grade up to a maximum of 3 points. So this is to make sure that you keep up with the course. This is a hard, fast-moving, dynamic course. Do not feel you can postpone things. You have to start on day 0 and do something every day until the course is over. Each week, we will have a quiz or a test on the previous week's work. So at the end of week 1, we will publish quiz 1. You will have 1 week to work it. At the end of week 2, we will publish quiz 2, and you will have 1 week to work that. We will do 4 weekly quizzes, and then we will move into the cumulative midterm exam. Then we'll do a few more quizzes, and we will take the final exam. The final exam is not made up by myself, as the previous quizzes and tests are. It is a single worldwide standard final exam for all you MUC students taking Math 12, and it is made by the department chairman. And all the Math 12 students in the world are taking the same final exam. So there are no projects in this course. Your entire goal here is to learn. So again, do not feel that your measure of success is to get an A in this course. Your measure of success in this course is to learn. It doesn't matter what your grade is in this course, except for some small effect on your GPA. It matters immensely how well you succeed in Math 107. And you will only succeed in Math 107 if you do a lot of learning here. Let's start.